someone above 35, unlocking optimal kidney health is a journey you should embark on, which can be done with only 6 natural drinks. Forget about expensive supplements or strict diets that are hard to maintain, as these 6 drinks are something you can have every day. You see, our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out harmful substances from our bodies. But what can you do to support these hardworking organs and keep them in excellent condition? The answer lies in the beverages you choose to consume. Many of us are well hydrated, but the problem lies in the source of our hydration. Often, we reach for drinks that are laden with hidden sugars, such as juices, sweet tea, or soda. These choices can increase our risk of obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, which are among the leading factors contributing to kidney disease. So, what can we do to replace these sugary beverages with healthier options that promote kidney health? Well, let's try to answer with the first drink. Drink number 1, green tea. Green tea is known for its rich content of polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants play a crucial role in fighting oxidative stress, a condition that can negatively impact the kidneys due to their constant work in filtering and removing waste. Green tea's ability to neutralize harmful free radicals can be a big help in reducing this stress, offering significant advantages for kidney health. Researchers have carefully looked into how green tea affects kidney health, and several important findings stand out. Firstly, green tea's catechin content seems to help regulate blood pressure, a key factor in safeguarding the kidneys. High blood pressure is a known risk for kidney disease, and green tea's antihypertensive effects might reduce this risk. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea are noteworthy. Chronic inflammation can harm the kidneys, and the compounds in green tea may help reduce the chances of kidney damage by suppressing inflammatory pathways. Another interesting fact is that the antioxidants in green tea act like protective shields for kidney cells, countering damage caused by oxidative stress. This makes green tea a potential ally in preserving kidney function and slowing down the progression of kidney issues. Furthermore, green tea might assist in managing diabetes, a significant factor in kidney disease. By enhancing insulin sensitivity and regulating glucose levels, green tea may lower the risk of diabetic nephropathy, a kidney complication related to diabetes. This just shows how powerful green tea can be and why you should consider drinking it daily. Drink number 2, lemon juice. Now let's talk about lemon juice. It's like a superhero for your kidneys. Why? Well, it's packed with something called citrate, which stops kidney stones from forming, especially the ones made of calcium oxalate. Imagine citrate as a superhero that grabs onto calcium in your pee, making it harder for kidney stones to develop. Even though kidney juice tastes a bit sour, once it goes through your body, it becomes like a friendly helper, keeping your urine at just the right level. So when you take a sip of lemon juice, you're not just enjoying a tangy flavor, you're giving your kidneys a little boost. Lemon juice is also rich in antioxidants, primarily vitamin C, crucial for combating oxidative stress that can harm kidney cells over time. In addition to its antioxidant benefits, lemon juice acts as a gentle diuretic, promoting increased urine production when consumed moderately. This, coupled with adequate hydration, aids in flushing out waste products and reducing fluid retention. Chronic inflammation poses a risk to kidney health, and lemon juice contains flavonoids with anti-inflammatory properties, potentially shielding kidney issues from damage caused by persistent inflammation. That's why you have to start your day with a simple mixture of 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pure lemon juice, and 500 milliliters of water on an empty stomach. This can provide acetic acid from apple cider vinegar, citric acid from lemon juice, and vitamin C, all contributing to kidney cleansing. Drink number 3, beet juice. Beet juice is renowned for its significant nitrate content, a key factor in promoting kidney health. Upon consumption, these nitrates undergo conversion into nitric oxide within the body. Nitric oxide serves as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and potentially leading to a decrease in blood pressure. In fact, a notable study published in the Hypertension journal demonstrated a substantial reduction in blood pressure through dietary nitrate supplementation, mirroring the benefits found in beet juice. Additionally, beets boast a wealth of antioxidants, including betalains and vitamin C, which are crucial for combating oxidative stress and inflammation, processes closely linked to kidney health. Beyond their antioxidant properties, beet may contribute positively to preventing kidney stones. This is supported by a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, highlighting how beetroot extract reduced the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, a common component of kidney stones. However, it is essential to practice moderation when incorporating beet juice into your diet, especially for individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. Excessive nitrate intake has the potential to adversely affect renal function, as indicated by certain research studies. And if you believe this video gave value to you so far, consider subscribing to Natural Education to get to know more about your body. Drink number 4. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is no ordinary drink. It's a powerhouse with numerous potential benefits for kidney health. Packed with antioxidants, it boasts anti-inflammatory properties, serving as a valuable ally against chronic inflammation, a known contributor to kidney damage. A 2013 study in the Journal of Nutrition backed this up, showing that cranberry juice consumption reduced inflammation markers in individuals with chronic kidney disease. Cranberry juice has also been celebrated for its ability to fend off urinary tract infections. The proanthocyanidins in cranberry juice act as a shield, preventing bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract lining. And research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed this, revealing that cranberry products effectively reduce the recurrence of UTIs, a positive ripple effect on overall kidney health. And the perks keep coming. Cranberry juice provides robust antioxidant protection, crucial for combating oxidative stress that can harm kidney cells and contribute to kidney diseases. A 2019 review in Advances in Nutrition highlighted the potential of cranberry polyphenols in easing oxidative stress and reinforcing kidney function. For those at risk of kidney disease due to high blood pressure, cranberry juice steps in with potential support, as several hinted at its role in modestly reducing blood pressure, a significant boost for kidney health, especially among those with hypertension. As if that weren't enough, cranberry juice may even lend a hand in preventing certain kidney stones, like the common calcium oxalate stones. Compounds in cranberry juice have a remarkable ability to thwart the crystallization of calcium oxalate in the urine, potentially lowering the risk of stone formation. So if you're looking for a tasty way to promote kidney health, a glass of cranberry juice might just be the refreshing solution you need. Number 5. Black coffee. Above all, black coffee serves as a significant reservoir of antioxidants, notably chlorogenic acid, which plays a pivotal role in diminishing oxidative stress in the body. And let's be honest, who does not love a warm cup of coffee? I bet you might even enjoy it more often, as numerous research studies, like the one highlighted in the Journal of Nutrition, consistently emphasize black coffee's antioxidant capabilities. The caffeine in black coffee contributes to enhanced blood circulation, ensuring a continuous supply of oxygen and nutrients to the kidneys, crucial for their optimal performance. The mild diuretic effect of black coffee aids in the removal of excess sodium and waste products, potentially preventing issues like fluid retention. However, it is crucial to consume coffee moderately to avoid dehydration, and also you should reduce intake if you have problems with sleep. Additionally, moderate coffee consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of kidney stone formation. This potential benefit may be associated with increased urine output and a possible decrease in calcium oxalate crystal formation. However, caffeine may have the potential to alleviate symptoms related to kidney disease, such as fatigue. And excessive coffee intake can lead to dehydration, elevated blood pressure, sleep disturbances, and digestive discomfort. Keeping a close eye on caffeine intake and maintaining adequate hydration are essential considerations for individuals concerned about their kidney health. Drink number 6. Seltzer water. Seltzer water, also known as carbonated or sparkling water, brings a refreshing twist to a kidney-friendly diet, offering various scientific perks. Firstly, it hydrates without the pitfalls of added sugars or artificial extras. Ideal for those mindful of sugar intake, it supports optimal kidney function. Plus, it tends to be low in sodium, a key factor for kidney health, steering clear of issues like hypertension and potential kidney damage. But that's not all. Seltzer water might be a hero in kidney stone prevention. Studies hint that its carbonation could boost urine flow, helping flush out minerals linked to kidney stone formation. This could be especially useful for those at risk of developing kidney stones. And beyond its practical benefits, seltzer water's effervescence and mild acidity make staying hydrated a more enjoyable experience, a crucial aspect of maintaining healthy kidneys. What's more, seltzer water is a canvas for flavor experimentation. A splash of citrus fruits like lemon or lime not only enhances taste, but also brings a touch of vitamin C, contributing to overall kidney health. If you've tried any of these drinks, we'd love to hear your story. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Your journey can inspire and educate our kidney-conscious community. contributing to a healthier future for all. But another important topic that we did not have time to discuss is creatinine. Many don't know what creatinine is or what are the symptoms of high creatinine levels. So if you want to stay with kidney-related topics, check one of our most popular videos about creatinine. You will really learn a lot.